We really had an amazing time in China. There are several achievements from this trip to China, but most important for me is actually that the group of businessmen from Croatia really understand China, Chinese economy, Chinese position in the world, and Chinese culture. We made some contacts with local businesses, and I believe we're going to do some business, and that's also important. But for me, this understanding and those deeper ties are much more important. I think that Croatia and China should continue operate in this way, because when people visit the country and meet the people, then you get real connections and real relationships. I plan to visit China many more times, and I plan to do business with China. China is always in my plans.